This box barely fit in here. I don't know what the heck happened here. It's already open. Sir. I ain't gonna lie, this packaging is kind of crazy. They fit all four up in there. These are decent quality. Came with like a, basically like a badge. You throw it on your car. A booklet about us, telling you about the company. Established in 06, so this is a fairly new brand. Which, I mean, I think a good amount of us have heard about Maxpeeding Rods by now. If you do budget builds, which I definitely do budget builds. They make rods. I was actually thinking about getting some for a F23 to do a G23 build. Turbos. Look, they got air suspension, coilovers, obviously. Control arms. They offer a lot of stuff. I might gotta pick up some control arms and stuff from them too, honestly. Inverter generators. All kinds of crap. I didn't even know that they had those, to be honest. That's pretty dope. And rods. Yeah. Lit. Look, these are full-blown racers, dude. Rocking Maxpeeding Rods, so they clearly good enough to be competitive. Installation instructions. Pretty basic information. I mean, alright. Pretty good quality, to be honest. I mean, this thing feels nice and sturdy. Definitely. They look nice too. I like this color. They got like metallic flake on this spring. It look dope. 24-way adjustable. Yeah, I'm excited. Yes, sir. These are the T7s. So these are the newest ones out, the most advanced ones with the most stiffening. Yeah. These are good build quality for sure. I'm actually pretty impressed. For the price, this is pretty good. So it looked like the easiest way to get this is obviously here. The bolts right up in here in the trunk. Gotta take off. And then I feel like it's probably gonna be easiest to take this off, and it should come down enough to let me pull the spring out of here, and then yeah, go from there. Check it out. Alright, so I did the passenger side already. On the driver's side already, or on the driver's side now. Wanted to make sure I knew how to do it before I started recording for y'all, but so the back was easy. Just undo this one, this top one up here, loosen this, and then that should give you enough room to bring it down to get this spring all the way out. And then obviously you got your two up here. And that's gonna be, oh, I gotta take this thing out. But the front was a little more difficult just because it was giving me issues for some reason, but I know that it should have been easier than it was. So I'm gonna try to get this other side the way that it's supposed to go.
Good.
Having some technical difficulties. That damn tool broke.
It didn't even pop.
No, I don't know if it broke.
No, I didn't move. It didn't release. It just flipped off, I think.
So as you can see, it is now dark. 5:43. Yes, sir. She cleans up nicely. I need to put my stock lip back on here. I need to repair it and paint it and throw it on. It's clean now. So I'm about to go pick up my stock wheels and give my brother these wheels back. I'm not sure what I'm gonna do about my wheel situation. I don't want to keep the stock ones on here because it just look too, they just trash. The stock's back on, and boy oh boy, that looks hideous. It looks so trash. I'm not gonna throw on my other wheels. I'm actually thinking about picking up another set. I don't know exactly which ones, but definitely thinking about picking up another set of wheels because these are just hideous, dude. What size are these? These are 195, so I should be able to put these on the other set of wheels that I'm thinking about buying. But yeah, this thing is dude, it looks so clean. Oh, I need some different wheels now because it looks fire height wise. It just needs better wheels. I need the front lip back on there. Then if I threw a rear diffuser on here, it would be super clean at that point. It would look so dope.